I'm currently in the Mirror West area, known as 168 on our realtor maps. And if you'd like a map, give me a call or write me a DM and I'll send one to you. But we're off Ganada, off PV Drive East, into this gorgeous property on Coolheights, 3448. Pretty darn neat, and boy, let me tell you, the view is incredible. So this side gets those awesome ocean views and not a lot of traffic, so it's really nice and peaceful. So we step in, we notice the high ceilings right away, the rounded corners. You get a more of a formal room down here, but I love the high ceiling, how it stretches. And then they made this all flat. They made a big landing here, which is kind of unique. So we have dining and kitchen. We'll come back. So here is our lower family room, and this one does have a fireplace. So this is killer. Very nice, well appointed. And then of course, you're out to the view. This is what makes the world go around, with these beautiful views here in Palos Verdes. So Catalina sits out there, can't quite see it today. Sunsets would be up that way, but gorgeous Palos Verdes preserve. And this is a great part of the hill here. Nice little covered patio, so you can hang out. Probably gets hot. Beautiful white oak plank flooring. Looks like it's been recently updated and it's in great shape. Little wet bar, this is walnut. Very nice. Oh, so here we go. Garage, water heater, laundry hookups, 3-car garage. Beautiful bath here. Gorgeous setup. Nice 3-quarter shower. In your downstairs bedroom. Oh, another barn door. So popular today. That works. And of course, great view from the bedroom. It's pretty nice. It's really cool. Really nice island, and I love the way, this is our listing agent, thanks for having us. No, you're fine. I love having the bar top, or at least the sitting area here on this side where you can look out through the kitchen to the view. This is a very nice kitchen. That's another cool little spot there with those benches out looking out to the view. And then the quality is up there. We got maple line and plain groove and cushion clothes. Really pretty. They did a really nice job here. I love it. More storage over here. Wow, this is cool. Wow. It's really pretty from here. Wow. Big landing up here at the top. I'm used to this floor plan, but I'm used to it switched the other way around. So here's your bath at the top. And you get 2 bedrooms on the east side. Nice balcony and a huge view. You can see Abalone Cove and even Catalina up that way. Really pretty. So into primary here. Very nice, very elegant. I like the color. It's got a little yellowish, greenish in it. A big balcony on the other side here. And into the primary bath. So sink on this side, lots of closet. Shower on the back. Beautiful glass. Big landing. That's cool. Looking for an ocean view and some good square footage. It's a great spot. I really like this view from here. It's really pretty. So if you're looking for a home, want to see another option, this is a pretty good one. Give me a call. Happy to help out. Thanks and make it a great day.